Hello everybody.
Welcome to the end
of my foot. The end of my foot as we know it.
And an extremely long day in HDL.
No.
So we sat over dinner and thought, instead of puppies and coffee in the morning, we'll do puppies and wine in the evening. And so we've come in with the famous 5.
Yes.
Sadie's adorable 7 and Super 7 and now 5. So there we go. There's the trad wife serving me my wine.
Stop it.
And we thought we'd come in and have a little end of the evening with these 5.
Ow!
They all seem to find Mrs. HDL particularly appealing.
No. Hi.
What are you doing before you?
This one's smiling. Who's this?
That's what they do before they eat you.
Yeah, Kanye.
They're pupparaptors.
We're making pig noises. Ouch. Cheers, darling.
What's that? They got used to the duck, haven't they?
Yeah, you have to come up with better tricks.
Oh, wow. Whoa! Whoa! Yes, you. No spillage allowed.
He just acts like he's biting his brother's tail, but he's
Whoa.
actually trying to eat you.
Whoa, Posty is digging for my foot there. Oh, yes. No sound effects required. Oh.
Aww, look, Asher's just being all sweet.
He's just looking where to bite. This little piggy went to market. And this little piggy went home. And this little piggy was just right for my teeth.
Oh wait, is that not Usher? No, here's Usher right here. So who's that baby?
Drake. No, that's Drake.
Is it?
Lil Nas.
Is that? No, that's not. That's
That's
Drake.
Drake, yeah.
So who's this? Oh, this is Posty. No, it's Drake.
Oh.
Ow. Yep, you're right. They're being demon dogs. That's little Naz.
Yeah,
That's
look.
the Naz face.
It is, isn't it?
He smiles.
He's a mischievous one. Look at that tail.
Posty is like no other. Posty is
Drakey
completely
boy.
fearless. As soon as we leave
Drakey
the gate
boy.
open, he runs around the house like he owns the place.
He hurdles it like a young gazelle now. He was chasing his mum around the hall just now. And then I couldn't catch him underneath the dining room table. He thought that was hilarious.
Did you, Posty?
Oh, look at that drool on that. Ashay, you vile creature.
This is who me?
Yeah, what's the problem? Is he going to wash it anyway? So I showed it on the live stream today. Look at this extra skin these boys have got. They've got some serious growing to do. What are you doing, Posty, you muppet? It's not garden. That's a quilt.
Oh no.
So one of them's ripping the pocket of my jeans. One of them is snuggled behind my back. One is digging my foot up. And the other one is ripping my arm off. Sweet, aren't they?
I'm not any of them. I'm sitting here sipping my wine.
Trad wife. Mate, thank you.
Sure be sweet. Sure be sweet. Yeah, that's a good boy. Ow!
What's this one?
If you haven't seen Usher's temperament test yet, check it out. He is just as chill as a lab puppy could possibly be.
What you can't see in the edits is us stopping to make sure Usher actually had a pulse. He's just unbelievably chill.
What's happening here?
You normally count to 10 in the holds and the temperament tests to, and stop there. We actually had to stop at 10 because we'd have kept going till 100 with Usher. Oh, enjoying that, boys. It's going to go horribly wrong.
It is going to go horribly wrong. We're going to have wine red stained Labradors. Are we? We're such good boys.
Drakey boy. Drakey boy. Drakey boy. That's it. That's it. So this is the never-ending clean-up in here. The boys get into the pine pellet litter trays and think that's hilarious. To scatter that all over the place.
Yeah, and then Posty's showing you what else they think is hilarious.
Oh yeah, dragging the water across. That's like the Iron Man test for them.
Is it? What are you doing all sweet and innocent over here, Mr. Drake?
Oh, Miss. I'm going to do a leg tap on Posty in a minute when he comes by. There you go. Oh, you're going to get me for that?
Usher. Get him, Usher.
Whoa!
Get him, Usher.
I said, I'm going to forget the toes if you do that. I'm just going to go straight for the fleshy bit. Oh! That got me. That was a full-on jaw around the foot then.
You win.
You little
win,
tinker. How you doing? How you doing? This will have these all nicely asleep in not too long.
Oh, ow! Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
We have a bleeder. Oh no, don't get blood on you. That's gross. Ow! So I made the mistake of pulling away as his needle sharp tooth, ow, was in my toe. Oh my goodness.
They got this taste of human blood now.
Oh my goodness, you bad boys. I'm gonna have to rewind the video to see who did that to me.
What are you doing? You like that zip on my top, don't you?
That's little Naz.
I don't know if you'll see that.
Ow! My goodness, Usher, you were so sweet on your temperament test and now you're drawing blood.
See, that's because I fooled the masses. Vampire dog.
So much for the puppy pedicure. It draws blood.
There we go, boys. Right, can I have my glass of wine? Can you see it, sweetie?
Can I see it? Yeah.
Thank you.
Posty, are you defending my toes? You tell him.
What I like about it is Drake gets up and I'll go and sort him out. Who got in the way then? Who's that?
Usher.
A little Naz going between them.
Usher. Oh no, little Naz is biting Posty's booty. Ow! No bite. No bite. That was a lethal.
They really haven't been drinking. It's like kicking out time in an English pub. Good lads.
Oh, rough landing, huh? That's a little bad.
tell him now, Naz. He's biting me. I know you're gonna. You're not supposed to do that.
You guys are noisy. They're going bananas. They're gonna sleep well tonight. Oh, don't make that.
That's biggest and smallest. Good boy. Good boy. They're so rough with each other, aren't they?
How they learn.
Little Nazli's taking the high ground here. Look.
That's a lot of barking from little man.
I think fair, mate. Posty was just waiting his time then, wasn't he?
Yes. Look, I think. Oh, I was about to say, I sure it seemed like he's ready to wind down. Oh, yeah. What do you think, boys?
Drake and Posty normally have a good tussle.
Yep. Yeah, here's Drake. Are you tired? Are you tired, sweet baby? Yeah.
It's tag team with each other. But there's definitely no pup in here that gets picked on more than the others. It's really
yeah.
good.
Equal opportunity. I have a bloody toe. I think I get picked on more than the others. Poor Mrs. HDL. Yeah. Are you rattling the whole cage there, Usher? With an itch?
No, Posty. No, Posty, not on there. There we go. Good boys. Good boys. No, Posty.
Yeah, baby. You'll be nice to my toes, Kanye. I'm already super pathetic.
There we go. There's your nighttime poopy done. You're ready for bed. No, I was talking to the dogs, dear.
No, be nice to my toes, Kanye. They hurt.
Okay, boys. Are you ready for bed now?
Look at little Naz just smiling at you.
Yeah.
He's full of it.
Good boy.
Usher, ow! No! No! Why do you like my toes so much? Huh?
Here comes Kanye.
Oh! I've got a mouthful of puppy tongue.
Oh.
I know. I know where those have been.
All right, boys. I think you must be ready for bed now because I know I am.
Mm-hmm.
And if you're not, Posty, unlucky because I'm going to bed. Okay?
Okay. Night-night, boys. Night-night. No, you can't have my wine.
Yeah, I can. Yeah, it's that glass. It's a different sort of texture to them, isn't it? Never really used that when we've done noises and we've done physical activity and brain games, but never tried glasses and alcohol with them.
Nope.
I knew
Say
you were
good
gonna-
night, little Naz.
Good night, mate. Good boy. Good boy.